To write a journal entry, first find a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. Take a moment to brainstorm what you want to write about. You can journal about anything, like your day, your dreams, work, school, friends, or an upcoming project. If you're not sure, choose a writing prompt for your entry, like, what was your earliest childhood memory, or what is your biggest secret? Open to a new page in your journal and write the date at the top. Then, start writing. Let your thoughts flow and don't edit yourself. Write whatever comes to mind. It's okay to be honest since nobody else will be reading what you write. Draw pictures if specific images come to mind when you're writing. Try to journal somewhere between 5 and 20 minutes every day. The more you journal, the easier it will become.